Okay, I want to talk about a new project I'm going to take on here. A blown up tuner. This is my MFJ-998RT tuner on my messy workbench. And there's the ham radio bench there. This thing has had a long history. I used it for a sloper when I first moved to this house. Had it on the other house mounted to a fence. And with all the work with the tractor trying to clear the property out here, the first year I moved here, which would have been 2022, I backed over it with a tractor, smashed the crap out of it, smashed all this and just caved this out. This is stainless steel, and it is the toughest stainless steel, sheet stainless steel that you can ever imagine. Straightening that out was like darn near impossible. But the corner that got pushed and smushed, this was smushed all the way down. Happened to be this side where there was no electronics, so I lucked out there. Heated up with a heat gun, and this is pretty soft, and kind of remolded that, taped it up, sealed it up. Worked for a while. Then at one point I think I burned up this relay on 10 meters. 10 meters is a tough band for non-resonant wires. I think I've blown up every tuner I've had, some of them more than once, on 10 meter long wires. The problem is over 1,000 watts. These relays that they use in these relay based tuners, they don't have enough dielectric strength between the open and the back contacts, and this one arced over, burn up. This one burn up sometime after that, same thing. I think that was an 80 meter job or do. And this one, I'm pretty sure this was a 10 meter one. When 10 meters started opening up here, it kind of caught on fire, it was sizzling. I didn't know that from the shack because this was on the ground. There's an array of ground radials, and then of course the long wire sloper connected to over here someplace. Where is that sucker? Oh, it's on the back side here. Anyway, I was busy with the house project, didn't have a lot of time to deal with it, so I just set it on the porch. There was a lot of boxes, a lot of stuff there. I didn't have the cover on it. I thought it was out of the rain, but it was close enough to the ledge of the roof on the porch, or the patio, the back patio. And water was splashing up here on it. And you can see here there's a lot of water markage. Not damage, it's just going to take some cleaning. Maybe a slurry of alcohol, rubbing alcohol in a compressor. I can blow that off. But this board looks like some of these surface mount components may have been compromised quite a bit here. And looks like the water got on that carbon and started rusting them even. There's a big rusty hole on the side. I'm trying my new selfie stick out too, so hopefully this will make the video less jerky. So yeah, so that's gonna take some repairing. The problem is taking this thing apart is very difficult because you have a lot of these chassis mounted components here that need to come off here, down in here. So all this crap, tons of bolts that go through the circuit board, lots of standoffs. So yeah, I got some challenges here. I also noticed that this stack of 4 resistors got burnt up. In fact, it looked like it burned a hole in it here. The schematic shows shows 25 ohm and 15 watt. And these are 100 ohms, so there's 4 of them. So 2 of those are 50 ohms, 2 of those stacks in parallel are 25 ohms. So why they're there, I don't know. We can look on the schematic here. Let's see here. Okay, yeah, so that's these resistors here. So 25 ohms, 15 watts. Maybe they're 15 watts a piece. And then K1 bypasses that. Why they put that resistance in there, I don't know. Because if you're drawing 1500 watts, that full RF power is going through that. So I just wanted to add some R. There's a lot of L, a lot of C, and he wanted some R to go in there. Interesting. maybe for really low resistance solutions where they're lower than 50 ohms. But yeah, so some disassembly to do, and that's the challenge. So I'll put this out here. Boy, yeah, look, the water was really in here, leaving marks. That's really sad, but got a lot of usage out of there. They're getting almost $1,000 for these things now, so I don't know if I want to throw it in the waste can yet. My SG230, I had burned a hole about the size of a silver dollar through it underneath one of the relays and was able to rebuild that. So I do have the schematic. I should be able to, see, now this camera's going out of whack. Why is it doing that? But anyway, I'm done with the video here, so let me stop it. See you later.